have to fill this up with sand. Show you right now. Open, 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 and everything here. It's enough. Okay. Oh, this is the probe for the labor. They check if it's clean and they have the need 10 meters. This is gonna be here. And this there. Haben Sie die Probe dort? Bitte? Ja. Lass ich die Material weg. Okay, was? You have to go. This. Right here. As you can see, you know what I'm doing. I use a big one. Because this is belonging here. Okay. Let's just stay here. But I need more. More. I think I have some extra. No, the extra is a big one here. What I need. Okay, this is good. And I start from here. Start from here, okay? Thermos. I will rotate this more. This position. I need a key here. As you can see, I need only first I need an adapter. from big to small hole. Let me check here. This one is perfect. From big to small. Oh, sorry. Okay. Good. I don't like this one. This I will open. Oh, the other side. Okay, I left this here. Coming here. And this gonna be inside. This and like this. Have air. Also blowing the material. So what I have in the silo, the compressor is pushing out. In this factory he blow the material. Now it's complete. Now I have to mount the compressor hose. Compressor hose, they pushing air from there here all the way up. Okay, now I have to up. Okay, so let's check the pressure inside the silo. Check how many we have. One. I let it this 1.7. But what is very important, I have to put here, something like this. This one here, too. So good. Catch also the big and the small So the pressure is complete. Now I open the air. Yes, 1.7. Maximum material. I let only half, okay? I look what's happened with the pressure because they don't have to go higher. I need more air here and less here because it's a very heavy material. They need more air to push, not to have inside. See what's happened with the pressure inside the silo. It's under control. It's staying here, 1.5. So I already have the documents signed by the receiver.